Now we go to the second part for the geometry progression. So for the first part for geometry progression, we know that the n term Tn is AR to the power n minus 1. Okay, so the first term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, and so on. Okay, until the n term is AR power n minus 1. So now I want to show you the Sn formula. The Sn formula we have two. That is A 1 minus R power n over 1 minus R, or Sn equal to A R power n minus 1 over R minus 1. So for the case that the R is between -1 and 1, we will use the first case. Other than that, then we use the second case. But you use either one will give you the same answer. Okay, so if you're not sure which one to use, then you use either one. No problem. Both will give you the same answer. So even your R is between -1 and 1, and you use the second equation, you still will get the same answer. If your R is between -1 and 1, but you use the first equation, you still will get the same answer. Okay, so no problem. You can just use either one. Okay, but there is some reason behind that. Behind this one, why we use the different Sn. So, but I don't explain here. So now I would like to show you how to get the formula for Sn. So we know that the Sn is the first term plus the second term plus the third term until the n term. And this one will be the n minus 1 term. So this one is the A plus AR plus AR square until the last term is AR power n minus 1 and the AR n minus 2. Okay, so this will be the first equation. And if we multiply R to the first equation, then it will become Rsn equal to AR plus AR square plus AR cube, and then until AR n minus 1 and AR power n. This is the second equation. So we know that this one multiply R become AR. This one multiply R, AR square. Multiply R, AR cube. Multiply R, so m minus 2 plus 1 will become m minus 1. Multiply R, then n minus 1 plus 1, then is AR power n. Okay. So some student may ask why we need to multiply with the R. Because after we multiply with R, we can use the second equation minus the first equation. Then we have the Rsn minus Sn. So this one minus this is on the left hand side. And then AR minus AR. So we can cancel. And then AR square, AR square. AR cube, AR cube. And then this one and this one. And this with this. So this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, this minus this. So what we left is AR power n minus a. And then we can factorize the Sn here. We have the R minus 1. We factorize the A here, R power n minus 1. So from here, we have the Sn is the ARn minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Okay, so just now, if I use the equation 1 minus the equation 2, then I have a Sn minus Rsn. Then will be A minus ARn. Okay, so this one minus this one. So this minus this. So A minus A power R power n. So Sn I factorize 1 minus r, a 1 minus r power n. So the Sn will be a 1 minus r power n over 1 minus r. So the r is between -1 and 1. And for the r less than -1 or r greater than 1, we use this. Okay. This is how we get the formula for Sn. A 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, or a r power n minus 1 over r minus 1. So from here you can see that if you choose second minus 1, then you get this equation. 1 minus 2, you get this equation. So these two equations actually are the same. Okay. So this is how we get the formula for Sn.